Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make roasted sweet potatoes. With just a few ingredients, here's an easy side dish especially for Thanksgiving, and it tastes great. If you want to take a break from the sugary sweet potato dishes, this savory and healthy recipe is perfect. It's 35 degrees outside, 1.6 Celsius. Really cold, and I just picked all these herbs from my garden. They smell amazing. It reminds me of summer when I can actually go out and garden. These are all winter hardy, so if you're looking for something easy to grow almost all year round, herbs are a great choice. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Just like the album. You can use any or all of these herbs. Of course, you can use dried herbs if you don't have fresh. Dried parsley, don't even bother buying because it doesn't have any flavor. Sage, rosemary, and thyme are wonderful dried. Sweet potatoes come in different colors and sizes. Really, any variety is fine. These are both orange inside and the most common in grocery stores. I like to roast onion along with the potatoes. It adds a little something extra. This is a big red onion. A yellow onion is fine, or even a sweet onion like Vidalia. We'll need a sheet tray or a shallow dish to cook the potatoes, and some oil, salt, and pepper. And that's it for the ingredients. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Peel the potatoes. Cut them into 1-inch cubes. Put them in a big bowl. For the fresh sage leaves, stack them and slice them thinly. Then finely chop. The thyme leaves come right off the stem. Finely chop them as well. Rosemary is a very strong herb, so we don't need too much. The parsley we'll use at the end. The rest of the herbs are in the bowl with the sweet potatoes. Add salt, ground black pepper, and oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. Mix it up really well. Spread the potatoes evenly on the sheet tray. The red onion I've cut into 1-inch pieces. Just put them into the same bowl that you had the potatoes in. Whatever seasoning left in the bowl is enough for the onions. A little oil and mix it up. Put the onions in a small dish. Both the potatoes and onions go into the heated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir the potatoes, taste, and add more salt if you like. If the potatoes look dry, add a little bit more oil and mix. Back into the oven for 10 minutes until cooked through. Same with the onions. Stir and cook for a few more minutes in the oven. You might be thinking why I don't put the onions and potatoes together on the same tray. Because the onions have a lot of moisture, I don't want the potatoes to get steamed. They get nicely roasted by themselves. Plus, there won't be enough room on a sheet tray for the onions and potatoes. The potatoes are cooked. Spread the onions on top. Some chopped parsley if you're using it. Mix it all up and it's delicious. I hope you try this easy and healthy way to make sweet potatoes. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.